Hi, welcome to nETSETOS. In this video, we will learn how to use repetition in our regular expressions. And trust me, this will help us to write more complex patterns. So, there are 3 repetition metacharacters which we need to learn here. First, asterisk, then plus sign, and then question mark. All 3 of them are going to go in a regular expression, and here we can control the repetition with the help of these 3 metacharacters. So first, if we use asterisk, then the item will be repeated either 0 times or more. So it's completely optional. It may be there for 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, or infinite number of times. If we are using plus sign, then the item must exist at least once, but it could be repeated as many times. And then the third one, the question mark, says the item would exist either 0 or 1 time. So you can also think of it as being optional. It may be there or it may not be there, but it can't be repeated any more than 1 time. So let's understand this with the help of example so as to understand it clearly. First, we'll start with asterisk. So for this, I'll go to R tool, Regex R tool. Now here, let's take oranges. And my keyboard has some problem due to which it left oranges, then oranges, and oranges. So while typing, I got this error in my paragraphs where it is orange or oranges, oranges, or triple S or 4 times S. But I don't want that it should come into error. So for this, I need to write a regex which should match all of the words in a string. So I'll start with first string, orange. So it's just matching the first word. In the second word till orange, S is not matching. That means S is optional. Now we have to think in a way where asterisk is taking for 0 time or more, plus for 1 or more, and question mark 0 or 1. Now in a string we have orange, oranges, oranges. That means there is a probability of S that it can be 0 or more. So here I won't be using plus sign. Now I need to choose between asterisk and question mark. But my choice is more than 1. So I'll go for asterisk over here so that S probability in oranges can be 0 times or more times. So here I can write S asterisk so that it will match all the words in a string. So with this, we knew the usage of asterisk. Now let's take the words as happy birthday with an exclamation mark, then happy anniversary with another exclamation mark. Let's say happy Holi and then happy Diwali. Now I have to write such a regex so that all the words can be matched with it. Now when I think about this, I can write it as first happy as it is matching all the words, or let's start with happy birthday first. Here I'll write happy birthday and then I'll match it up with happy anniversary and then happy Holi and then happy Diwali. But here happy is matching in all the words. So I'll delete the word which is not matching as it has the difference of birthday, anniversary, Holi, Diwali. And happy and exclamation mark are common in every string. So I'll delete out of this. Until here we know the usage of dot. Dot is used for each character. So here I'll write after space dot, dot, dot. Holi is matching now, but I want birthday to be matched. Now we got birthday also. But the problem I am facing over here, that I can't put dot because it has different length. Anniversary is longer length. Holi is just 4 length word and Diwali is 6 length word. So here what can I do? I can go for plus, because plus is the word where we can repeat for one or more. As we have seen, happy and space are common in all of the 4 strings. So I'll leave it as it is. Now what I'll do, I'll take one dot as it is used in 4 of these strings, and then I'll apply plus sign. See, by applying plus sign, it is matching all of the words. And here as exclamation, we'll be using as literal word. So here I'll apply backslash, and now it is matching all the words of different length. So see how useful it is. Now let's see with more couple of examples. If I write the year names, 1984 with October, 1968 November, 2020 May. Now here I have a requirement of detecting all the numerical values. So for numerical values we can use \d. So here it is detecting 1 by 1. Here we can see it is detecting 12 matches. To avoid this, I'll go for \d, then \d, as it is detecting 3 matches. Then I'll go for \d again. So with this we got 3 matches only, and we have detected all the numerical values out of this. But to write \d every time, it's not possible, because here digits are same. What if I write here, let's say 783899, I'll take another one, 6739955. Now here we can see sometimes 7, 8 is left, 9 is left, 5 is left, and there are 9 matches, and there is no such requirement here, and this is looking so clumsy. So what we can do, we can make use of repetition meta characters. Here I can go for the same plus, which is used for one or more. So instead of writing each \d so many times, I can go for plus. See, as soon as I have written plus, it has given me 4 matches, as there are 4 numerical values, and it is detecting each with whatever length of word we are giving, it is accepting it. So here we have seen the usage of asterisk, plus. Now let's see usage of question mark, how it can be used in our day-to-day life. As you must be remembering the site name Grammarly, we usually make use of it to write for the offer letters or for the letter to the colleague, for some kind of official usage. So as to get confident whether we are not using any wrong spellings or wrong grammar, we generally make use of Grammarly. So here comes the word color, and sometimes we use the word color, C-O-L-O-U-R. Both spellings are right because it varies as per the geographical area. Both spellings are right, but how Grammarly recognizes it? Here it makes usage of regex, where comes question mark. Question mark is used for 0 or 1. Let's see how. If I write color, the first word is matched. Now if I write color, then the second string is matched. So what I'll do, there's a difference of U over here. So I'll make use of question mark, so that if U is used, then also it's okay. If U is not used, then also it's okay. So here with U, I'll write question mark. See, now it's matching both of the string. So it makes our work so easy that we can easily recognize both. Repetition meta characters allows us to have matches of infinite repetition. So it can match 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, it doesn't really matters. It makes the repetition meta characters a very useful tool for writing regular expressions.